Good morning guys, bit of an early start today. It's now 6:45 in the morning in UBUD. Today we're going to go visit one of the rice fields, not the very well known Talalinga, I think it's pronounced. That one is very famous where a lot of the tourists go, but we're going to explore a bit of a different path today. We're going to make our way out to Mupu, I think I'm pronouncing that right, Mupu Rice Terrace. It's about a 40-minute bike ride, so yeah, let's go head out there and do a bit of exploring. Good morning guys, we're at Mupu Rice Terrace now. We've just walked all the way down from the cafe right at the top up there. We're now down the base of the rice fields. I'm just going to go for a short little hike and have a look what we can see and explore. It looks very nice from up the top, pretty special views. So we had to pay a little donation when we got to the bottom of the rice fields. That's basically for the maintenance of them. Fun fact, Indonesia has a high rice consumption of 211 kilo per capita per year, 4 times higher than the world average of 50 kilo per person per year. That's a lot of rice. Okay guys, I just sent the drone up. Got some really cool footage, looks really stunning from the air. So enjoy these aerial shots of Mupu Rice Terrace. I think I'm just going to chill here for a little while. What a view. What's up here? Okay guys, my thoughts on Mupu Rice Field. Absolutely stunning and beautiful. I think if you are planning a trip to visiting UBUD, I strongly recommend you consider making the extra effort to take the extra half an hour drive out of UBUD to visit this rice field. Most tourist buses and tours will take you to the large one, the Telelagani rice field, which I'm sure is stunning in itself, but it will be very overcrowded, whereas this one here, I arrived at 8 o'clock in the morning. You get in via a cafe called Tis Cafe, which we're going to go to now for a coffee. They'll let you straight through at 8 o'clock in the morning and you feel like you've got the whole entire rice field to yourself. So very authentic, stunning, and feel like you're just walking around in nature enjoying the beautiful rice fields and the hikes. Okay guys, we're here at Wire Art and Creative Cafe. We're going to get some lunch here. It's a pretty unique setting, this place. It's set in a jungle setting, so you feel like you're in the top of the tree. So I'll give you an idea of the view. They've got all these little pod areas that you can sit in. Okay guys, check out the presentation of this drink. It's a mango pineapple rouge with some lime inside. It's kind of unique, very ice chill cold. We've got some like spicy sugar on the outside. Oh, that's really spicy. So we've ordered lunch. We've got some pan-seared salmon. Check out the presentation. That's the name of the cafe there, Wire UBUD. Okay guys, we just pulled over on the side of the road somewhere near UBUD at a motor mechanic place. So this place here, I've got an issue with the motorbike and the mirror mount. Basically, I think the thread is damaged and almost lost my phone and camera holder. So these kind gentlemen have offered to try and help and fix. So let's see what we can do. Now there's their little business that they've got running, fixing motorcycles. So down in here, the thread is damaged.
The next day.
So it is the next day. I'm now in Cafe Blend in UBUD. Just going to get a coffee and a smoothie bowl for breakfast. I've checked out of Samana Residencies. I would definitely recommend Samana Residencies as a place to stay in the future. The bed's really comfy, there's good water pressure, good hot water, really fast Wi-Fi in the rooms. It is about a 5-minute drive out of UBUD, so it isn't a quiet area from the noise, but that's a good thing. Well, I didn't think the pool was all that appealing, but very clean and tidy, the grounds and the room. A place I'd definitely stay in the future. Have a look at the artwork on this smoothie bowl that I've just ordered. Okay, so I've just finished up at Blend Cafe. We're now going to head up the road to the monkey forest to no doubt be entertained by a whole heap of monkeys. Just finishing up in UBUD's monkey forest. A really nice place to visit, lots of shade around under all these trees. There's actually said to be over 115 different species of trees in the monkey forest, with probably the most famous one, the banyan tree. Some of the banyan trees here have been around for over 100 years, so they're quite massive and their root system is extensive. Very nice and cool just walking underneath the trees, taking in all the scenery. You won't have to walk very far to come across a monkey. There's said to be over 1,000 monkeys in this forest. So plenty of opportunity for photographs, close-up videos. Yeah, it's just a lovely, cool place to visit and lots of activity and lots of cheeky monkeys around. I'm going to end the vlog here with some monkey footage. So thank you for watching everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one.